Hey guys, welcome back to the gaming family. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download Need for Speed Payback for free on your PC. First, open your Steam app in your PC or laptop. If you don't have this app, just download it in the web browser. And then after opening it, log into your account or create one if you don't have one yet. Next, head over to Store, located at the top, and use the search bar within Steam to find Need for Speed Payback in the search bar and click on the game. On the game page, check the system requirements to ensure your PC can run it smoothly. If it meets the requirements, click Add to Cart, then View Cart, and continue to payment. Complete the payment, and your game will start downloading. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.